and think to yourself, there's no place like home. There's no place like home.
There's no place like home.
Okay, peace, love, and light, everybody, especially everybody in Los Angeles that was affected by the fire. Shout out to y'all. And today I have a pair of Marnis. This is a very interesting pair. I've never heard of the brand. It is one of those luxury brands that makes kind of crazy looking footwear for a really, really high price. And I did not pick these. I was offered to do a video for them, so I just said, you know what the hell, let's do it. And on the Marni website, they're going for, what is that, $950. That's a little insane. I don't know why anybody would pay for that, but they are called the Fussbett sabot. I mean, I think that's what they're called. The fur is 100% calf hair. The inside is 100% calf leather, and the sole is 100% rubber. And these are not what they call vegan friendly, I guess. So they're not faux hair or faux leather. And it's interesting because the website, the insoles are like a tan or a brown insoles, and mine were black. It doesn't really make a difference, but I just noticed that looking them up. And while looking at other footwear on their website, I noticed these, and I was like, yo, these are really, really crazy. Like, honestly, who is actually going to order these from the website? Who's going to pay the money for that sneaker? I don't know. So let's just go ahead and take a quicker look at these. Again, I actually got these like the day before Christmas, which would be Christmas Eve. And that's kind of a nice gift. Like when they showed me the catalog of these, I was like, I'll take the red ones. I wanted some blue ones, but I was like, you know what? Let's just take the red ones. They were definitely appropriate for the Christmas season. And just like any other designer pieces of footwear, you get all of this stuff inside of the box. I guess that makes it feel that their value is higher than normal sneakers. I don't know. Of course, you're going to get a dust bag, which, like I said before, I do appreciate dust bags, especially for travel. Even though these will probably never go back in a dust bag, it's nice that I have one for maybe some other sneakers. The box was really small. Of course, it is a pair of slippers, but I don't really classify them as slippers because they're not very like they're very hard. They're not like a floppy type of slipper that you put on your house and you can kind of bend in half. That's not this. I mean, for $950, they better not be flopping around. And I thought this was like a double box or something like that. It's not. That's just how they make their boxes. So when you close it, it looks like that. So let's take a closer look at these. We have that 100% inside non-vegan friendly calf leather. I mean, shout out to the cows that died making this interesting slipper slide, I guess we can call them that. And I've been wearing them a lot. I must admit, I have been wearing them a lot. I tried not to wear them outside, but I took the trash out in them. But I wanted to keep these designated for just indoor wear. And one thing I couldn't stop doing is petting them because they look like a freaking animal. I mean, they are an animal according to their description, but they just made me want to keep petting them. Like I had a pet. I don't have any pets, so this is my pet. And they're really warm on your feet. They keep your feet warm. I actually wish that I went with like maybe like a half size bigger in these. I kind of like my house shoes to be a little bigger than like a form-fitting sneaker, because like my heel was kind of right at the end, but it's okay. Like I've been wearing them since Christmas and I've broken them in. And when you break these in, what did I get, a 44? Yeah, I got a 44. I guess a 45 would have been better. So if you're interested in these, go I guess a full size up in Euro sizing. I typically wear a 44 and all the other designer shoes, but this is a good fit. Like they're nice to just kind of wear around the house. You see, I was kind of chilling that day. I didn't go outside, and I planned on going outside, but it's been way too cold out here in Colorado. Right now, it's actually 20 degrees, and it's super windy. But the craftsmanship of the shoe, of the slide, of the slipper, it's up there. $950, I don't know, but it is up there as far as what I have here in front of me. And I gotta be honest, I'm really surprised that for one, they offered this slipper to me and that they actually made these. Like maybe I'm just living under a rock or something like that, because I've never heard of Marni. It's definitely not in the top 5 designer brands that I'm used to seeing out there. I'm used to the typical Gucci, Balenciaga, Louis V. What's the other one with the big shoes? McQueen's. All the other designer brands. These were not on my radar, but they are now. And it's interesting just to kind of get something different in your hand from time to time. And it was dope that I got these on Christmas Eve. I felt like I got a little Christmas Eve present. So shout out to the gifters, cocoshoes.net, that sent me the sneaker. Thank you guys. I love you guys. This was really nice to get. I actually was like, what are these? And I opened the box. I was like, oh, I forgot I was even getting these. But that's pretty much all I got for this one, guys. Make sure you follow me on IG. Peace, love, and light. And I will catch you in the next one. Peace.